Hi, Johan.
Hi.
What are you doing?
There to finish.
Say hi.
Hi.
Smile. Are you happy? Are you happy that we are in the park? Huh? Who's with you today? Who's with you in the park?
Papa.
Who else?
Mama.
Who else?
Tita Mayam.
Who else?
Nana.
Who else?
Jacob.
Who's Jacob? Who's Jacob? Do you love Jacob? Do you love Jacob? Your baby brother? Johan, when is your birthday? Is it near? Huh? Is it near? Your birthday is near? Coming near? How old you will be in your birthday? 5. Are you excited? Huh? Yes. Now where you go? Johan, wait for your turn. Wait for your turn.
Yes. You too. Yeah.
Come.
Hello. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Ay, andyan na?
Papa, he's a very naughty boy.
No, he's your friend. Okay, I will get the spaghetti now. Yes.